What is up, guys? Ever wanted to unleash the power of deepfakes and take your videos to the next level? Imagine seamlessly swiping faces, transforming your content, and leaving your audience in awe. In under a minute, I'll show you how to create a mind-blowing deepfake video. So stick around for the pro tips to make your deepfake videos absolutely indistinguishable. Let's get started. Yeah, we're going to use this tool called AKOOL Face Swap. The first thing you need to do is create an account. When you're done creating an account, log in, click on choose file and choose the video you'd like to face swap. AKOOL will start analyzing. It will take a couple of time depending on the video. Let us wait until it's done analyzing. So this is a video that we would like to face swap. If you like to swap faces with some of these faces over here, you can pick one over here. One like to choose from, click on choose face. Click on the image, click open. The image has been uploaded. Select the image. After you select the image, come down here and select face enhance, then click high quality face swap. Then the AI will do its thing. It will start the process of face swapping your image with your video. Click on results to take a look at the results. Over here you can see that the AI is processing and swapping the image with the video. So it will take some time. Let us wait and come back when it's done. AI has face swapped our video. To download the video, click on download and it will download the video to your computer. Let us see how it looks before and after. So this is how the video looks before and after we did a face swap on the video. And there you have it, folks. If you are as blown away by AKOOL face swap as I am, hit the subscribe button and join the journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to level up your content game. Got questions or want to share your epic deepfake video creations? Drop them in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, stay creative, stay awesome. I'll see you soon with another video. Goodbye.